need to find out first 5 multiples of 2. If you look at the table of 2, you can see that from 2 times 1 equals to 2 to 2 times 5 equals to 10, you have the first 5 multiples listed. If you write factor times another factor is equals to a multiple. So 2 times 1 is 2, alright? Then 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 5 is 10. This is the first multiple because it starts from 1. This is the first multiple, this is the second multiple, this is the third multiple, and this is the fourth multiple, and then we have the fifth multiple. The first 5 multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So multiples of 2 will be 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. These are the multiples. Let's look at the other example. From the table of 6, you can easily see that from 6 times 1 equals to 6 to 6 times 5 is 30, we have the first 5 multiples. We can write factor times factor is equals to multiple. Since we need to find the multiples of 6, we write first factor at 6 and we need to find the first multiple. So another factor is 1 is equals to 6. This is the first multiple. We need to find out the second multiple. The factor will be 2 is equals to 12. Again, multiple of 6 times the third factor is equals to the third multiple. 6 times 3 is 18. Then we have 6 times 4 is 24. And 6 times 5 is 30. The first 5 multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30.